My boyfriend texted me this as if I won't start sobbing, us if we were soap. So I was super nervous for my first date with this guy tonight, and then an hour before our date, he sent me a snap video saying, "Wish me luck on my date, buddy," and panned to his dog handshaking him. In that moment, I knew he was a keeper. Bed doesn't ask questions. Bed doesn't judge. Bed is always there for you. Bed is nice. My grandpa, who knows nothing about video games but loves me very much and wants to relate to me. Are you winning? When the wind blows a leaf across our yard at night.
Bravo 6, going dark.
This woman came to me and my friends and told us she misses hanging out with her friends at our age. Long story short, we have a new friend.